Want to learn Premiere Pro? The first thing that you need to know is how to create a new project and set up a sequence. I'll show you how in this quick video. First, open Premiere Pro, click on New Project, name your project, and choose a location. You can either use an existing folder or create a new one. For this video, let's create a new folder for our project. Go to the newly created folder and select it, then click Create. To create a sequence, go to File, then New, and choose Sequence. Don't feel overwhelmed by the available presets. Just look for Digital SLR and select 1080p. Choose DSLR 1080p as it's the standard setting for any type of video. Now let's go to Settings and check the frame size. Here you'll find the default frame size for YouTube format videos or landscape orientation. For Reels and TikToks, here is the standard frame size. You simply swap the width and height to get the portrait look. If your footage is in 4K, just multiply by 2 to get the correct frame size for 4K footage. Then change this to iframe only and peg. You can also save these settings as preset, so you don't have to set everything up each time. Lastly, name the sequence and click OK. There you have it. Now you have your sequence timeline. To import your media, simply drag and drop the folder with your media inside and drag the footage into the timeline for editing. If a warning pops up, choose Keep Existing Settings to maintain the sequence settings we've set. Alright, let's try saving the sequence settings. Just follow the earlier steps, then click Save Presets. Name your sequence presets and click OK. They will be added to a custom folder and you just have to select one, name it, and voila. Pretty easy, right? Now go ahead and give it a try yourself.